Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol PULM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very good move. I don't think anybody can sit around and say, no, today wasn't a very good move. Everybody would agree, good, solid move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, knee-jerk reaction type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And to better illustrate this, I do need to scrunch up the chart here. Whoops, so there we go. So what is this single level? Well, in my mind, it all revolves around this point right here at 83 cents. Why is 83 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 83 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's been for, months upon months, just stuck down below that area. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. I'm not saying it will, but let's just pretend falls all the way down there, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this drastic situation? Well, even in that drastic situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. The previous set of lows would be down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. So to me, 83 cents is definitely the key overall level of support. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above, let's add another area of support. If the price can stay up above the point right here at about $1.35, that would be a more so a best case scenario. But if the price does drop below $1.35, by no means am I saying everything's ruined or anything like that. What about levels of resistance? At this point, pretty straightforward, although not exact. I think we can all agree the price got hung up right around here at the $1.80 mark. Few times the price didn't go quite as high. A couple times went a little bit above it, but this is where all the price congestion eventually occurred. So sellers sitting up there at $1.80, that'll be the key level of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.